Welcome to Ultrya Decor, where we bring warmth to your winter dining with rustic elegance. Today, we're exploring 15 stunning centerpiece ideas to enhance your cozy dining experience. A classic wooden bowl, overflowing with pine cones and fairy lights. It's a simple yet charming start to our rustic winter journey. Picture an antique lantern surrounded by a wreath of frosted pine branches. This centerpiece adds a nostalgic glow to your table. Envision a long, rustic wooden tray filled with candles of varying heights. It creates a warm and inviting ambience. Imagine a cluster of miniature snowy trees set in a row down the center of the table. It's like a mini winter forest at your fingertips. A vintage vase holding a bouquet of dried winter flowers. The muted colors blend perfectly with the rustic theme. Small, chunky knit pumpkins paired with cinnamon sticks. A delightful nod to the coziness of the season. A row of mason jars, each filled with a string of battery-operated fairy lights. They cast a magical sparkle across your dining space. Stacked antique books tied with a velvet ribbon, topped with a small pine branch. It's a centerpiece that tells a story. Consider a burlap table runner adorned with scattered pine needles and acorns. It brings a touch of nature indoors. A series of small, white ceramic houses, each lit from within. They offer a quaint, village-like charm to your dining area. A handcrafted wooden star, interwoven with twinkling lights. It stands as a rustic yet modern statement piece. A collection of vintage brass candlesticks, each holding a cream-colored taper candle. The flickering light adds warmth and elegance. Place a plaid woolen throw under your centerpiece for added texture. It's cozy and stylish. An arrangement of frosted glass orbs, gently illuminated from within. They look like glistening snowballs on your table. a centerpiece of pine branches and red berries in a rustic metal bucket. It's a classic winter scene. Thank you for joining us at Ultrya Decor. We hope these rustic winter centerpiece ideas inspire warmth and joy in your dining experiences this season.